Joe Cusick at the Cusick Group joins us now for Stocking Up. Happy to have you on the show, Joe.
Thank you.
Joe's taking a look at the chips for us today, and what do you see happening here?
Well, you know what? I saw HIMX this morning. There was some interesting activity. About 6,200 of the D's $9 calls traded. And, you know, this is in front of earnings. They have earnings on the 10th, and they're expecting the earnings to be right around between 10 and 12 cents. That's what the estimates are coming out. This is really interesting. They're a leader in semis and flat screens. Want to keep an eye on this. The semis have been moving this week. The earnings have been positive.
And people are watching the NASDAQ overall, as you know, Joe, for a breakout, right?
Right. Yeah, you know what? Technology is where leadership is in this. They're you'll see a lot of high flyers, but semis have been, right now in this earnings cycle, been out with some good numbers, and their forecasts are pretty good too. So especially with the way that Hillary Clinton actually came out in the debates, it looks like the markets are looking at a Hillary win. That's going to be interesting. I want to watch these stocks closely though, and this is a little heat of a warning. Hillary did say that she's going to be looking at the cap gains tax. If that's in fact the truth, and that she's going to actually implement something in the first 100 days, that could impact high flyers like some of these chip stocks. So maybe there's people trying to take advantage of the positive momentum now.
With HIMX, where do you see the target price? What's the options market telling you about HIMX as far as the price?
You know what, as far as the price is concerned, they're looking at a challenging 9, getting over that 950 mark.
Okay, and any other stocks in that sector you're watching?
Yeah, NVDA. You got to watch
that's
NVIDIA.
A good one.
Right.
Driverless car angle on that one.
Yeah, you know what, NVIDIA, obviously with what Tesla's been talking about, there's all these other components with the competitors that NVIDIA would be working with. This is one you want to keep an eye on. As a matter of fact, after they had broke through that 66.50 resistance, trading at 67 bucks, I've seen activity where they've rolled out of the October calls, 67.5 strike. Looks like they're rolling into now the November 70 call strike. So they're looking for some further upside. Stocks at 67 today. Want to keep an eye on that.
Good one. Okay, and also Wells Fargo. Yeah. There's now this criminal probe happening.
That headline came out, and it should be interesting. What I saw was that with the headlines that are coming out, even though you have mixed, right? They're trying to do as much good stewardship now in the community. They've made all of the changes within the management. It looks like someone was trying to take advantage of the fact that there could be a decent interest rate hike. That's great for the banks. The banks have been great. They've been moving to the upside. I think Wells Fargo is going to be challenged with the public stuff. Saw 5,000 of the January 49 calls trade for 35 cents. The stock's trading at 45.20. It looks like the open interest is sufficient enough where it looks like maybe someone that was strategizing for some further upside, maybe getting away from this controversy, they might be liquidating after the pop in the stock because of earnings.
Oh, maybe they're just done.
Could be.
Thanks for coming on the show.
You bet.
Our time for today is just about a done deal.